Hello, welcome to Cat in Japan. This video will be different from my other videos, as you can tell by what's on your screen right now. I know this video is a little late in the season, but I'm hoping it will help someone in the future. I am on the hunt for the perfect advent calendar. I don't know why they have become so popular over the last few years, but I do enjoy watching my kids open their advent calendars each year. However, I have yet to find the perfect one. Either I have to spend a lot of money to get it shipped from overseas, or I find a reasonably priced one here in Japan only to have my kids be underwhelmed by the items or have very low quality items in the calendar. I end up spending almost all of November trying to find an advent calendar that is both reasonably priced and contains quality items my kids will like. I start with YouTube videos, then onto Amazon Japan, and then Amazon in America. I finally said, I'm done, screw it, and I decided to make my own. I spent 2 days on Amazon Japan finding small gifts for each of my children. I decided on 12 days of gifts and 12 days of candy. I did spend more money than I expected, but so far my kids have really enjoyed my advent calendar much more than the store-bought ones. Let me show you how I put it all together. But first, I am not affiliated or sponsored by Amazon. I just use Amazon because it saved me time. As I mentioned before, I spend 2 days on Amazon finding perfect little gifts that I know my kids would love. Then I went to the mall to a specialty store called Caldi Coffee. This store has a lot of foreign foods and sweets. I bought a bunch of Christmas-themed candy from there. Then I waited for my order from Amazon. Let me show you what I got. For the oldest, a Copic liner because they're into art, a hand towel, which is very important in Japan, with their favorite character on it. For the youngest, a Belle puzzle because she loves Belle, and a cat craft kit because she loves cats and she loves crafts. And for my oldest, a pair of chopsticks with their favorite character on them. And for my youngest, who loves cats, a pair of chopsticks with Gigi on them. For the oldest, a different Copic liner. For the youngest, a cute little cat stuffy. Whiskers a little messed up, but still cute. The oldest, a cute little frog stuffy. Recently, they told me they really like frogs. For the youngest, some pastel crayons. For the youngest, a cute little figurine. She likes collecting things like this. For the oldest, another Copic liner. For the oldest as well, a Nate the Great book, which they really love Nate the Great. For both of them, I gave them each a canvas because they're both into art. For the oldest, some face cream because they're 15. Also for the oldest, Donald Duck. They love Donald Duck. For the youngest, a Totoro puzzle because they love puzzles. Another Copic marker for the oldest. 2 little sketchbooks for both of them. Again, they're both into art. A Belle hand towel for the youngest because she loves Belle. For the youngest, some nice hand cream and a Christmas book. Both my kids love reading. Next, I gather and organize all the candy that I purchased for my kids. As you can see, I got a variety of it. And I also got this little advent calendar maker off of Amazon. It was very reasonable, but I got a small problem. Well, actually, a big problem. How am I going to put all those presents in those little bags? What to do? Let me show you what I did. I opened up PowerPoint and created cute little cards, and on each card I placed who got the present and who got the candy. I started with my oldest getting the art and my youngest getting the candy, and then I categorized each present so I know what item to give them without giving it away. Then I got out my trusty cutter and cut them up. As a teacher, I have these tools already, so it was very easy for me. This just took me just a couple of minutes. Next, I placed the cards in each little bag. If the candy was small enough, I put the candy in there with the card, but mostly it was just the card in the bag. After that, to keep everything organized, I put them in little Santa bags One for the youngest, one for the oldest, and then I hid the bags in my English room so the kids wouldn't see it. After that, I spent a good 15 minutes or so hanging them up, but I had a little help. My youngest came out at one point and had fun helping me hang them up. We had a great time doing it. Then on December 1st, they got to open the first one. Don't let their somber expressions fool you. They just woke up. They're really tired. So you get the candy and you get, what does it say?
Art.
It's a Copic liner. Such enthusiasm. All right, you gonna try the snowman? Is it good? Nice breakfast. You get the candy and you get what?
Art.
Can you read what that says?
Pastel crayons.
Are you eating the chocolate at 7:40 in the morning?
Just to try it.
And?
It's good. I get the art.
And you get the?
Candy.
Candy. Are you gonna eat the candy now? Before school, give yourself some energy. You want to get number 4.
Puzzle. I can do this one.
Oh my god, are you falling over from joy or something?
I guess I can do this puzzle while I'm chilling.
For those who are wondering about all the packaging materials that I created from ordering all that, don't worry about it. Every bit of it is recyclable. I just have to break it all down, organize it, and put it in our recyclables. Don't forget to comment on what you think. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.